So in this tutorial, I will guide you on how to check your Cell C balance. So they have been mentioned here in the Cell C website. So just go to this support page which says how to check my account balance. So just scroll down and there are 7 ways to check your balance. So this is from the Cell C website, which is cellc.co.za. So to check your balance, there are 7 methods. The first one is by using the Cell C mobile app, or you can use the self-service IVR, which is you need to dial 135, then choose option 1 for manage, then choose option 1 for view remaining balance and usage. Another method you can use is by using the USSD code, which you need to dial *101 hash or dial *147 and hash and then choose option 2. You can also use by calling 136, dial 136 option 0 for balance inquiry, or you can also SMS BAL or balance, just SMS balance to 14302, or you can just go to the Cell C website and then log into self-service or www.cellc.co.za. So if you log into this page on your account, you can also check your Cell C balance. You can also check balance by calling 135. Just dial 135 and choose option 9 to speak to an agent. So these are the 7 methods you can use to check your Cell C balance. You can just check them and choose which one is convenient to you and check your balance. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.